Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I'm going to show you how I have received new leads from Facebook lead ads and I have automatically sent these leads to my team on Google Chat Hangout space. Now, if you are receiving a lot of leads and you want to keep your team updated all the time, then this is the best automation for you. If you also want to learn how you can create this automation for your business, let's start creating this step by step from the beginning. Here in this video, we are going to see how we can connect Facebook lead ads with Google Chat Hangout space in such a manner that whenever there is a new lead from Facebook lead ads, automatically the lead details are sent to my Google Chat Hangout space. For this, we are going to build a connection between these two applications using Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in the browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Connect account. On the top right corner, we can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you some tasks free on monthly basis. You can use the tasks and check whether it fits your business or not, and when you feel ready to upgrade, you can use this code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on the Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Once you pay for this lifetime deal, you get access to all the features that too forever. Here, as I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. Here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'll select this Pabbly Connect Access now and I will be landed towards the app dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where I will be able to find my workflows over here and the folders over here. If you wish to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow. I'm going to create this workflow from the scratch, name this workflow as send Facebook lead ads to Google Chat instantly, and now I'm going to select the folder. These are the folders which have been created. I'm going to select as Facebook lead automations and then click on create. Here workflow created successfully. As soon as I click on create, this box has appeared in front of me where I have to enter my trigger application. Trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want that whenever there is a new lead from Facebook, automatically it is notified to my team on Google Chat Hangout space, which means whenever there is a new lead, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger basically activates or triggers any workflow. Here in my trigger application, I will be taking Facebook lead ads, and following this trigger application, in the action application, I will be taking Google Chat Hangout space. In the trigger event, I am going to select new lead instant and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection and then click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. I have already logged in my Facebook account, and that's why I'm going to continue with the same account. It is always advisable to keep your applications logged in for the easy authorization, and here it is, connection created successfully. Now I have to select the page name and the lead gen form. I'm going to open my Facebook account. This is the Facebook account. This is the page which I have created by the name Digital Dynamics, and I will be running all my advertisements using this page. So I'm going to select the page name here as Digital Dynamics, and then I'm going to enter the lead gen form. To get this lead gen form, I'm going to open this meta for developers. You can visit this simply by typing developers.facebook.com. After landing towards this page, you have to scroll down and then search for this developer tools, and as you land towards this developer tools, you have to scroll down again and then click on this lead ads RTO debug tool. As I've landed towards this lead ads testing tool, I'm going to select the page and the form. Now in this page, I'm going to enter the page name as Digital Dynamics, and you will see all the forms which are created under this page will start appearing. So I'm going to select this DD lead form, and then I'm going to go back towards my workflow and select the same form, DD lead form. I'm going to hit save and send test request, and you will see it will change to waiting for webhook response. So now I need to do a test submission in order to capture the webhook response here in this workflow. In order to do that, I'm going to do a form submission, but before that, I'm going to delete the lead, and then I'm going to refresh this page once, and then I will be doing the same process again. Now remember, when you will be running a live campaign, you need not have to do this again and again. I'm going to select the page, and then I'm going to enter the form, which is this one, and then I'm going to click on this preview form. I'm going to click on this continue, and I have entered these details. The first name is demo, email address is test@pabblytutor.com, last name is user, and the phone number is this. I'm going to click on this continue, submit this. Here, as soon as the form submission is done, all the details should be captured in my workflow. I'm going to open my workflow and check whether I have received all these details there or not. Let's wait for the webhook response here. And here it is. We have captured the response 6 seconds ago, which means as soon as we have done the form submission. So these are the details which we have entered. The name is demo user, email address is test@pabblytutor.com. This is the phone number. Here, as soon as we have done the form submission, we have received that response in this workflow, and this shows the connection setup which we have created is working fine. And now whenever there will be new lead, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Moving on towards the next step, whenever there is a new lead, I want to share that to my team on Google Chat Hangout space. I'm going to select my action application as Google Chat Hangout, and in the action event I'm going to select create message and then click on connect. First I have to enter the chat webhook URL. To enter this chat webhook URL, I'm going to open my Google Chat Hangout space, and over here on this particular space which I have created, I have to go towards this arrow, and then I'm going to click on this apps and integrations. From here I'm going to click on this webhook and then click on this add webhook. Now here I'm going to name it as FB Leads. Then I need to enter this avatar URL. To get this avatar URL, I'm going to click on the hyperlink and I will be redirected towards the forum page of Pabbly, from where I'm going to scroll down and we have this avatar URL. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it over here. Now after doing this, I'm going to save this and a new webhook URL will be provided. Here it is. I'm going to copy this. And I have pasted this webhook URL which I have copied from the Google Chat Hangout space. Now I have already added this message, hello team, we have received a new lead from Facebook, and then I have mapped the details. How I have mapped these details? I have entered / go towards this Facebook leads, and then I have entered the field value like this. Now over here you see mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static and the information will not change even when you receive the new response, and that's why we map it instead of manually entering it. After entering all the details, I'll hit save and send test request, and we have received the response, and this response is the positive one. Let me open my Facebook space, and over here in the Google Chat Hangout Facebook lead space, the space which I have created by the name Facebook Leads, we have just now received this message. Hello team, we have received a new lead from Facebook, and these are the details. And this is how we have built the connection between Facebook lead ads and Google Chat Hangout space using Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting automation. And before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on the Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Thanks for watching.
Not only this automation, you can create multiple such automation using Pabbly Connect. Now if you want to know the different plans which Pabbly provide, you can check out the link given over here. If you have any queries, you can mail us at sales@pabbly.com, and if you have any issues, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.